Hello friends, this is Shikha here. First of all, I'm going to thank all of you for your beautiful comments and your continuous likes for my videos. Today I'm going to share with you a DIY floor lamp which has been modified according to my taste. I'm very excited to share this project with you guys, so let's get started. This is the floor lamp which has been designed by me. Basically, it was a piece of iron rod and a base with it. I have DIY'd it to make it a beautiful lamp of my own choice. The iron rod was of 50 inches tall, and I have taken 7 plastic bottles. I have drilled the bottles and inserting the bottles with the hole in it. Using a dendrite, which is a very strong adhesive, to join the bottles. I will continue this process until 7 water bottles are inserted. And secure properly with dendrite. This is also an interesting project and I loved doing it. In this way, the colors doesn't matter because later on it will be colored with a spray paint. All the bottles have been inserted in the rod. Now I will seal them with epoxy or M-seal. Taking small amount of epoxy, I will secure the edges, make it plain and strong. Now it's time for coloring. I will spray it with silver chrome color. I have added only one coat of it and it's a messy job, so I have done it outside. Here is the result. See how it looks glossy and it is giving the steel color. Now to cover the edges, I am using bling strip. I have done it on all the ends of the bottles to give it a neat look. On the upper portion, I will be using a single strip of bling strip, which will give a different type of look. Here it looks different way. It's all done. Now I'm fixing the lampshade. And adding the bulb. It's a soft glow light bulb. And here it is. Thanks for watching this project. Thank you.